Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm here to discuss how to make hair stop shedding. On average, each individual loses anywhere from 50 to 100 hairs a day. Your hair automatically goes through its own life cycle where it releases the older hair and it grows in newer hair. One reason why people would wind up shedding a little bit more than on average would be the change of season. Usually when the seasons start to change, the upset of the climate and the changes in the climate will also upset the cycle of your hair loss. So you may find that going from summer to fall and transitioning from season to season, you may wind up losing a little bit more hair during those periods. If your hair loss is persistent and it is continuously shedding an awful lot, you may want to look for maybe an iron or protein deficiency. Lack of iron and protein will in fact have you shed a lot more, so you may want to do either an iron supplement or start eating a little bit more protein. Another reason that your hair could shed is maybe not even be shedding, it could also be breaking. You want to stay away from damaging tools. Treat your hair and nourish it. Use a lot of different moisturizing conditioners and really maintain a healthy hair strand. If your hair is doing excessive shedding, cut down on how much you use your blow dryer, your hot tools, and all of your different styling. Make sure you do get a supplement or either eat more things higher in iron, and also you want to eat a little bit more protein. If after trying all of this, the shedding persists and it continues to get worse, I recommend that you consult your doctor. Also, if you are on any medications, you may want to find out whether or not hair loss is a side effect of that medication. Your doctor will be able to answer more of your questions on which route you can go, and will be able to help you more medicinally with preventing hair loss. And that is how to stop shedding hair.